Hiya guys, it's Mrs. Giles here, and we're going to be looking at finding more and less. I know you're going to be amazing at this. Let's do it. Okay guys, so there's some things that you will need if you can get them. If you can't get them, don't worry, because you can watch as well, obviously. But if you do have them, it'll be really helpful. So let's have a look what you need. Yes, if you could get 40 counters or something similar, like pasta pennies or cubes, that would be great. Okay. That'd be really helpful if you also have a number line or 100 square as well. Okay. Now you can make your own of these if you'd like. Okay, that could be a project that you could do. You could make your own number line to 40 or above, or your own 100 square. Or if you have a printer at home, you can download them from our remote learning document. Okay, children. So let's have a look at the in focus picture. We've got a picture of Lily, and Lily has baked some cookies. And we have a picture of Sally, and Sally has baked some cookies. Now, it says, who baked more cookies? And how many more did they bake? Well, let's have a look. We can see they've both got some cookies on trays. Oh, I reckon, because we know if we group things in 10, that makes it easier. I reckon there's 10 on here, but we better check. Okay, let's check. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant. So each tray has 10 on it. Okay, so let's cross out the trays. So we know we're going to have to count in our tens now. Let's find out how many cookies Lily has. So we have 10, 20, and now we need to count the ones. 21, 22. And if we do it here, we can put it in our tens frame. So we've got 2 tens, okay, 2 tens, and our 2 tens are 10, 20. We've got 2 ones, and it makes the number 22. Now you can see 2 tens is 20, and the 2 ones is 2. That makes 22. So let's have a look at what Sally has. So Sally, let's count. She has 2 tens. Oh, we know that 2 tens is 20. 10, 20. There you go. She's got 2 tens, which is 20. But how many ones does Sally have? Let's count the ones then, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 ones. So she has 2 tens on the trays and 8 ones. Oh, and that makes the number 28. So who has more cookies, children? Who baked more cookies? We can look at our tens frame to work it out, can't we? We can see they both had 2 tens. Okay, Lily baked 2 tens and Sally baked 2 tens. Then Lily has, so that's the same, isn't it? They both cooked 2 lots of 10. Okay, so we can circle that. So they both cooked 2 lots of 10s. So now we need to look at the ones, because the 2 10s are the same. So let's look at the ones. So Lily baked 2 cookies, but Sally baked 8 ones. Oh, we know that 8 is more than 2, isn't it? 8 is more. So who baked more cookies? Sally baked more cookies. Let's find out how many more she baked. Okay, children, so we are looking at how many more cookies did Sally bake. Now we know that Sally, she baked more cookies because she baked 28. Okay, and 28 is more than 22. And this is one way that we can find out how many more. Okay, so we know that if I write the number 28, and 22, they both baked 2 10s, so we can cross those out. There's our 2 10s. They both baked 2 10s, but Sally baked more ones. Okay, she baked 8 ones, while Lily only baked 2. So what we can do is we can see how many more Sally baked by crossing them out. So we've crossed out, they both had 2 10s, that was the same. And then Lily baked 2 cookies. And we can cross them out over here on Sally's. And we can see, oh, this is how many more cookies Sally baked. How many more cookies did Sally bake? Let's count them, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Sally baked 6 more cookies than Lily. She had 6 more because we've crossed out Lily's 22. Then we crossed out 22 on Sally's. And look, Sally still had 6 more. So 6. 28 is 6 more than 22. Here we go. So Sally baked 6 more cookies than Lily. So 28 is more than 22. 28 is 6 more than 22. And they've drawn a part whole here. And they've said the whole is 28. Okay. And they've put the 22 here. And here's that 22. And we know if we add another 6, if we add those extra 6 of Sally's, it will make 28. So let me get my pen. 22 add 26 makes 28. Okay guys, so now it's your turn. Let's have a go. So it says, what is 1 more than 22? And what is 1 less than 22? Now what I would like you to do is I would like you to make 22 using your counters. Okay, put this in silent. So you're going to make 22 using your counters or your pasta, whatever you have, and have a think, how could you lay it out? What should it look like? You have a think. Pause the video and you make the number 22 for me, children. Did you make the number 22, children? Let's have a look how I've made it. So you'll see on here, look, I used my counters, my cubes, and I did 22. I had 2 10s, okay? So 22 is my 2 10s. 2 10s is 10, 20. And there's my 2 10s there's my 2 10s is 20. 10, 20. Then I have my 2 1s, 21, 22. Now, children, we need to add 1 more. So can you get 1 more cube and add 1 more? If we add 1 more, children, what does it make? Let's draw 1 more. There we go, we've drawn 1 more. Well, we still have 2 10s, and 2 10s is 10, 20. Then I'm going to count my 1s, 21, 22, 23. So if we added 1 more, we'd have 3, and it would make the number 23. Now we can do the same for less, can't we? We want to find what is 1 less than 22. So children, get your 22 counters again. And can you find what is 1 less? Remember, less is when we take it away, it's smaller. Can you do that? Can you find what is 1 less? Pause the video and have a go. Okay, children, so what did you do? Did you make 22 again? So we've made 22 again. We know 22 is 2 10s. There's our 2 10s. And 2 10s is 20. 10, 20. And our 2 1s is here. Now, if I want to find 1 less, I need to take it away. So I'm going to cross out one of them. You could have taken yours away. And how many is left? So we took away 1. Took away 1. 2, take away 1. We were left with 1 1 and 2 10s, which would make the number 21. Okay, let's rubble that out. Okay, and then you get this up. So now I would like you to have a go at doing this on 100 square if you have 100 square. Okay, so have a look where the number 22 is. Here's the number 22. Okay, and we want to find out what is 1 more than 22. Now, when we add more, we go this way on the number square. We go this way, and you'll see the numbers in the ones column get bigger. If we went the other way, they'd get smaller, and that would be less. So 1 more than 22, we need to do 1 jump, and look, we're right, we land on 23. If we want to find 1 less, we go this way because the numbers in the ones get smaller, and 1 less than 22 was 21. And it's the same, oh, let me get this up, on our number line. Can you see, children, that we've found 22 on our number line? We do 1 jump this way, 1 more, we land on 23. So 1 more than 22 is 23. And if we do 1 less, we go back, it's 21. 23 is 1 more than 22, and 21 is 1 less than 22. And what is 6 more than 22? You see if you can have a go at that, children. Pause the video. You could use your 100 square, you could use your number line, or you could use your cubes. Can you find what is 6 more than 22? Okay, guys, did you find it? Did you work out the answer? Let's have a look. I'm going to use my number line this time. So I'm going to start at 22. Let's get my highlight 22. And 6 more means I need to add 6 because more is getting bigger. And I need to go this way if it's getting bigger. And I need to do 6 jumps because it's 6 more. So let's do 6 jumps. Start at 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 28. So 28 is 6 more than 22. 22 is 6 less than 28. Okay, children, let's have a go at the guided practice. I bet you've been doing amazing at this. So let's have a look. It says, let's look at number 1, question 1. What is 1 more than 32? Now, I would like you to have a go at doing this at home. You can use your number line, or you can use your 100 square. It's up to you. Okay, see if you can find out what is 1 more than 32. Pause the video. Okay, guys, did you work it out? What is 1 more than 32? Well, more means the number gets bigger, so we have to add. Okay, let's find 32. First of all, let's find it on our number line. So I'm going to find 32. Oh, look, 32 has got 3 tens, which we know is 10, 20, 30. So it's 3 tens is 30 and 2 ones. And we are adding another 1. So if I do 1 more jump, 1 more, 32, 33. Okay, 33. And it's the same on our 100 square. 32. Do a jump to the next number because we're adding 1 more. 33. Brilliant. Right, let me rabble all that out now. Can you do the next one, children? What is 1 less than 32? 1 less than 32. Pause the video for me. Okay, guys, did you do it? Okay, so less means we are taking 1 away. 1 less, we're taking 1 away. So the number's getting smaller. Okay, so let's find 32. And we know if it's getting smaller, we have to go this way. So 32, 1 less, we have to count back 1, take away 1, 32, 31. Okay, it was 31. So this was 33, was 1 more. This was 31. Okay, let's have a look at number 2. Oh, something is 1 more than 30. Oh, that's a bit trickier. Something is 1 more than 30. Can you do that for me, children? What is 1 more than 30? Pause the video, you have a go. Use your number line on your 100 square, or if you can do it in your head and count on, do that. Alright guys, let's find it then. So let's get my highlighter. 1 more than 30. Right, so here's 30. There's the number 30 on my 100 square. 1 more, I'm going to do it in my head. 30. It will be 31 because we had 1 more 1. 31. Okay, and you can see it here. Here's 30. Do 1 jump, 1 more. It's getting bigger. It's 31. 1 less than 30. Have a go at that one, children. Pause the video. Okay, so 1 less means the number's getting smaller. Okay, it's getting smaller. We're going back. Now 1 less than 30. Here's 30. We do jump 1 less. Oh, is 29. Okay, 29. And we can check on our hundreds on our number line. 1 less going that way. The number gets smaller. You can know it's smaller because it's got less tens. It's only got 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens is less than 3 tens. So 29 is 1 less than 30. Right, guys, have a go at this last one. And it says, what is 4 less than 31? 4 less than 31. And what is 4 more than 31? You have a go, guys. Did you do it, children? Did you have a go? So 4 less than 31. Let me rub this out. Oh, no, that's not the rubber. Let me rub it out so we can start again. Okay, right, so 4 less than 31. So I need to find the number 31. That's what we're starting with. Here's 31. And I'm finding 4 less this time. 4. So I need to do 4 jumps back. So 31, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 27. And we know the numbers are getting smaller because 2 tens is less than 3 tens. Let's do it on here. Let's find 31. I'll do my jumps. I need to do 4 jumps because I'm taking away 4. 4 less. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 27. It's 27. Okay, so I'll put 27. And then we need to find 4 more. We know more means it's getting bigger. So we're at 31. Let's do 4 jumps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 35. Well done, children. Okay, guys, there are 2 sheets for you to have a go at. Okay, the first sheet is a little bit easier sheet, okay, because it's looking at finding 1 more and 1 less. While sheet 2 is looking at finding more than 1 more and 1 less. So pick the sheet that you think you'll be able to have a go at. All right. Good luck. Bye, guys.